Here we are going to see about DAX, data analysis expression, is a formula expression language used in Power BI to perform calculations, create measures, and add logic to data models. So I'll show you how to do it. First, I'll load Excel. Here I have an example of Power exercise data. I have got it. Let it get loaded. So I got sheet 1. So these are the data I have to be here. I'm being load. Wait for a second, let it get loaded. So 50 rows are loaded. Now we can see in data, when I click this sheet 1, what are the fields I have in that particular table. It is being displayed here. I'll go for table view. The table view is displayed here. Now DX creates new calculated columns and measures. Suppose here in table tools we have new column. Click new column. For this column I can calculate profit. Profit equal to revenue minus cost. So when I click revenue, automatically the fields which is displayed in this table will appear here. Choose it minus cost. When you give cost, sheet 1 dot cost. Give enter. In this column, the profit is being calculated and displayed here. So same way in table tools, go for new measure. I'll let you know the difference between creating new column and new measure. Here, for example, total sales equal to, we have a function called sum. How the functions are used in Excel, the same way the functions can be used in Power BI also. Here's sum, open bracket. So sales amount, this will, so the total sales, what it will do, the sum function will add up all these sales amount of, we have 50 data for 50 products, that will sum and it will have that value here. So here you can see total sales will be added. Likewise, you can have another measure, new measure, even average sales. For calculating average sales, we have a function called average, open bracket, which is sales. So what this average sales will do, it will add up all these 50 sales amount and it will divide by the number of products, that is 50. When you give enter, now you can see that is been displayed here. We'll go to report view. I can just have the newly created measures. I'll have average sales. It is there. Total sales. It is there. Or I'll use a table here. I can include total sales, the newly created profit, newly created measure, newly created measure, average sales. Now I will expand this. You can see it is displayed here. So we have given new column as well as we have given measure. So what this new calculated column will do is it will calculate and it will display the formulas here, and the measure, the fields will be here. We can use it in the reports. So column is a static calculation performed row by row during data loaded and stored in the model, while measure is a dynamic calculation performed on the fly at query time. So column will take up memory space and are useful for creating new attributes or categories that can be used in filter, slices, etc. But measures do not consume memory space and are idle for aggregation like sum, average, and ratio that responds to filter content.